am Piyali Paul. I am a 4th year student of South Calcutta Law College, Calcutta University. Today I am going to give a speech on universal religion and ideology which changed the view of religion. One of the Swami Vivekananda's greatest contributions to mankind is universal religion, a new religious ideology. It is not a new religion with a new scripture, but it is a new approach to a religion, a new spiritual temper. It not only enjoys tolerance, it urges acceptance of other religions as true, thereby acceptance of other religions, making religions as principle of human unity. Universal religion is a discovery of universality in all religions, excluding the particularities of creed, dogma, beliefs, rituals, and convention of them. A believer in universal religion has an enlightened understanding of and respect for all the religions without losing its belief and practices. In his Chicago addresses in 1893, Swami Vivekananda gave importance on the validity of universality of all religions. He mentioned that every religion is able to create purity, sacredness and kindness in human mind. So he accepted the validity of all religions. He appealed to all that every man must keep up his oneness in the sphere of religion and accept all that is good in other religions. He appealed to all that every man must keep up his oneness in the sphere of religion and accept all that is good in other religions. To him, a religion which is capable of giving satisfaction and comfort to every religious sect can be granted as universal religion. Harmony is the keynote of Swamiji's religious teachings. He explores that amidst the chaos there is a note of concord, and he who is prepared to listen it will catch the tone. By harmony, Swamiji meant unity and not combination of different views about God. We cannot make all conform to all the same ideas. If we all thought alike, we would be like Egyptian mummies in a museum looking vacantly at one another's faces. When religions are dead, there will be no more sects. It will be the perfect peace and harmony of the grave. But in reality, sects and variation of thought is a sign of life, and it must be there. So, one of the natural characteristics of the universal religion is based on universal toleration. The universal sympathy harmonizes one sect of religious activity with the other in spite of their internal and external conflicts. It adds vitality to them and enables them to expand and to live. His philosophy of universal religion teaches us that to love God and realize the ever-living God and feel that all are one is the true spiritual mark of understanding religion. It regulates the human life. If there is no inner life, there is no religion either. Religion is a matter of the inner life. Religion intervenes human conduct. One should not make any distinction between a Bihari, Bengali or any other jatis. He should realize his oneness with other followers of various other religions. All distinctions, differences and dualism may be bottled out. Men cannot live without religion. It is very deeply intellectual. This is all about what Swami Vivekananda's philosophy of universal religion. It has great socio-philosophic relevance to build up the world peace in the modern times. In other words, religion will be prominent enough to guide the scientific world. Thank you.